We have a side-by-side comparison. There's the crystal headlight here. That's the old one. That's the Parker's. There's the new one here. It looks, just gives the car a better, nice looking finish, I suppose. And then here you've got the old one, which is a bit more fogged up, and it's old plastic, so you're better off doing the change. Alright, so today I'm working on my Holden Rodeo. I'm changing the headlights from the old original headlight to a crystal headlight. It's just better presentation and better lighting, I suppose. So here, after putting the headlights and the Parkers on, I'm just test fitting the grille to see how it all lines up. So as you can see here, the headlights and the Parkers have been installed with the grille fully lined up, and it looks a lot better than before. It looks a lot presentable. So here we have the finished article. Put the front bar back on. Here's the headlights and the Parkers. We'll do a test later tonight and see if it lights up any better. There you go. There you have it.